Me show Kartel say, yo, we have a DJ. How I do now? Kartel is my friend. Beenie man is my friend. Me not pick no side. And if you go and allow the two man them, brother, because the man they alright more, you know. So Kartel I live, you know, so Beenie I live good. Beenie I look on, you know. Me not pick no side. And no one people, me don't know if you love foot attack, every time blood clot foot attack, it happen. Foot a profit.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if me not up on the beat. And as you can see, people, it's really not a good week for the former king and queen of dancehall. My people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because me not hear from Beenie Man from him flop him UBS Arena concert. Yes, the performance sell off, but not the tickets. Listen, I say, I know we're seeing that Reggae Sunfest is planning to crown Vybz Kartel king of dancehall, the same entity that crowned Beenie Man. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know them I say Kartel not have no Grammy. You know what I mean? But we know that he's due to get one. Because says Ziggy have it waiting for him. You know where I work with, we the best know, you know. But nevertheless, people, you know, it was predicted by me 4 months ago. Because we say Joe Scatter, you know, business partners with Kartel. Listen, I say, and we know, say, Beenie Man have his own festival, which is in competition with Reggae Sunfest. You know what I mean? And you know, Joe buy the thing from the people who crown Beenie, so... yeah, them can do whatever they want, you see what I say? But people hear the drama now, because I think a lot of people forgot what Camille, Beenie Man woman, said. I think she said this King of the Dancehall thing is a registered business. You know what I mean? So if Vybz Kartel chooses to put, you know, the King of the Dancehall on the flyer, it might be a possible lawsuit. I don't know, you know, people only can take a look at what she said at the screen. You know what I mean? In a sense, like the Shana Chin Shana controller case, you feel me? Because, you know, people bad mind and red eye is rampant. You know what I mean? And people, you know, is holding on dearly to this title because it's, I guess, a money earner for them. You know what I mean? I know it has been taken away, so who knows? We might see this in the courtroom. But nevertheless, it is what it is. It's I say. I'm not sure how Foot the Hype is going to react to it. But as you can see, the elder in the beginning said, him not pick no side.
You leave Beenie and Kartel alone. Because you don't know Kartel, brother. You don't know Kartel, brother. Me know Kartel before the whole of you was on Gaza. Because Kartel used to be a pick on you. So me and him turn up. And me tell Kartel to go back to Jamaica. Me, Roddy Harry, tell Kartel to go back to Jamaica. Here, him look for me as a DJ, you know, some time ago. Did about 6 months. And we out at the front line, there, brother. And miss a youth. Did every strong, you know. At the time, I go before the time. Call the airline, brother. The airport. And book the ticket and go in, brother. Right for your time to go, brother. And him listen to me. Me and Kartel used to out at the front line with DJ and sound down a Campbell name. Front line. Green Man probably there Cool Harbour Lane out of Brixton here. Me show Kartel say, yo, we have a DJ. How I do now? Kartel is my friend. Beenie Man is my friend. Me not pick no side. And if you go and allow the two man them, brother, because the man they alright more, you know. So Kartel I live, you know, so Beenie I live good. Beenie I look on, you know. Go Beenie, but man, I'm hungry, yo, brother, you know, go here now. How the bumbo clout do now, man? Fuck do now. Love Foot Hype too. The bumbo clout do no, man. Me not pick no side. And no one people, me don't know if you love foot attack, every time blood clot foot attack, it happen. Foot a profit. The fuck do no?
Yeah, go on, DJ, go on.
I want to know, brother. Love the man them, brother. You know, so Kartel, a pay champion, the man I drink every day, man, him friend them, you know.
Almost 100 na line, go on.
I want to know, man.
Almost 100 people line, go on.
God kill me, dog. Me not like dirty junk.
I am not a Gaza fan. Never have been. I'm 150% supportive of my partner, Beenie Man. Okay? Because I realize you guys like to clout and turn things into your favor. Right? Let me repeat. I am not a Gaza fan. Never have been. All right? The particular artist, it's very creative. But I've never been a fan of his song. All right? Now, let me move on.
Yeah, like I said, people, Beenie Man is still missing in action from his UBS arena. So I know the interview questions is going to be crazy. But anyway, people, let's give a quick update while go on. Let's proceed to the next.
Yeah. My love when she cock it up. Pretty like TV, bad like Riri. What
Okay, people, I just want to update on this Tavian Skillibang Riri situation because I think both girls is firing shots at them one another. As you know, we got the story the other day. So Skillibang, having a shame in my sing song for him ex in Atlanta, according to the sender, right? So Tavian got word of the story and posted up the same song that Skillibang put up with her doing the same hand gestures and all of this stuff, assumingly, claiming the title, because that the people them say in her comment section. That's how you end rumors. So, like I said, the girl posts up the same thing now, yesterday, in her IG story, and posting up subliminals like, you can't stop winners from winning. You know what I mean? I don't really know what's going on, my people. Putting on the comment section what you think about that. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But anyway, let's proceed to the next.
I've taken a mini break from social media the last few days since it came out that I was sued. A lot of my well-wishers and supporters are asking if I'm okay. Yes, I am okay. A lot of my detractors are celebrating that I'm finally muzzled. Sorry to disappoint you, but I am okay. Now, a big part of this lawsuit is that they want to institute a gag order, meaning that all of my social media posts must be taken down and I should not publicly comment on anything related to the drill or the parties concerned in the filing. That can happen at any point in time. They can go in front of a judge and say, hey, let's have that injunction put in place now before he says anything else. So I'm counting on you to like, share, and download the videos so you can share them on your own and continue to do your own research on the topic. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. at my constituency office in Southeast St. Catherine, after we do a tour of the constituency going through all 5 divisions, the comrade leader, Mark Golden, the next Prime Minister, and I will attend the opening of the constituency office. We are inviting all of the supporters of the party, of the democratic process, of accountability and transparency to turn out as the motorcade goes through Southeast St. Catherine and join us at 7 p.m. for the opening of the constituency office. That may be the final speech I may be able to make publicly concerning my findings on the drill. And I can tell you, my team and I have encountered and uncovered quite a bit of suspicious activities related to the importation of the drill components, among other components. Now, we can't speak too much, but if it is what we're seeing is true, then what we have uncovered is far more than just irregularities concerning the process of the bids for that $31 million drill, but it speaks to, if the documents we're seeing are indeed correct, customs fraud, and it could trigger a deeper investigation that does not only include the activities at Sarah Ministry of Health, but the University Hospital of the West Indies. I'll leave the rest for tomorrow. So counting on your support as we do our drive-through, and stay tuned for what may be my final public speech on the matter before any gag order is implemented.
Okay, people, Bob Marley, this said, oh, pirates, yes, they robbed I, sold I to the merchant ships. What do you see in front of you? No, people, this is one big joke business, You know what I mean? I'm not accusing nobody of nothing. As you know, Tufton, refutes the claims that Dawes makes over this $30 million dollar drill. You know what I mean? These are the invoices before you. You already know this thing is taken to another higher level. It's he can't talk about this case no more because they put a gag order on him. Yeah, so he can only talk about, these things when the proceedings is over. You know what I mean? So, It's really not a good look, but what can we really do? Because I still have vote for these people, isn't it? Anyway, people, I'm not longer, this is not longer, Bliss.